Hello and welcome to Delectable Flavors. In today's video, I will show you an easy recipe on how you can make vegan ice cream using bananas. So what I'm first going to do is get my banana, and you should use a ripe banana because the more ripe your banana is, the more sweet the taste will be. And now I'm going to cut the banana into banana pennies or banana slices. So you're going to repeat this step for 2 to 3 more bananas per ice cream you make. So what you're going to do now is freeze the bananas overnight or until they are frozen. My bananas are now frozen. Now what I'm going to do is add my 4 cups of mango, which is roughly 4 mangoes. I'm now going to add my 1 cup of coconut cream. Now we will be giving this a good blend, but before I give it a blend, I just wanted you to know that this ice cream is filled with natural sugars, but if you still want more sugar, you can just add a tablespoon or 2 of a regular sugar. Now I'm going to blend my ice cream mixture. I'm now going to check if my blend is all good. You can see that it's coming all nice and smoothly. I don't see any big chunks, so I'm now going to transfer it into my ice cream bowl. You can use any bowl. And make sure you scrape all the excess ice cream mixture using a spatula. I'm now going to refrigerate this beautiful mixture overnight. To make the second flavor, which is strawberry and banana, you will need to get your frozen bananas, add them into your blender. Next, what you're going to do is add approximately 25 strawberries, which is about 1 pound. I'm now going to add my coconut cream, which is also 1 cup again. I'm now going to add about 1.5 tablespoons of sugar. You can totally skip this step. I'm just going to add it because sometimes strawberries are a little sour in taste, so this will balance that sour and sweet flavor. Then again, you can also add as much sugar as you like. Once again, I added 1.5 tablespoons. I would recommend between 1 to 3 tablespoons. Now I'm going to give this a good blend. Okay, so my strawberry and banana ice cream flavor has been well mixed. I'm just going to check the consistency. Yes, it is all blended, and I'm now going to add it into a bowl. Now what you're going to do with this mixture is freeze it overnight. My mango and banana, as well as strawberry and banana ice creams have just frozen overnight. And now I'm going to take a scoop to show you what it looks like. So now that my beautiful ice creams are done, I'm going to drizzle some sundae syrup on top of it. For the strawberry flavor, I'm going to put strawberry sundae syrup. And now for my mango, I have decided to put chocolate sundae syrup on. I'm also going to drizzle some sprinkles, and if you want to learn how to make sprinkles, I've left a link in the description box on how you can make that. And there you have it, your 2 flavors, which are strawberry and banana, as well as mango and banana ice creams are now complete. If you did like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel for a new recipe every week. Till the next recipe, bye-bye.